Yo, what is good, YouTube? So today we literally have the biggest clothing haul I have ever seen on YouTube, probably. And I'm being dead serious when I say this, because just look at these boxes. This is 50 pounds of clothes right here. Like, this literally just feels like Christmas like 5 times over, bro. I'm being so serious. I'm extremely excited to get into this video, as you could see, because of how big these boxes are. So let's just get straight into it. Also, this video might be pretty long since we literally have over maybe 30 pieces of clothes, 40 pieces. So yeah. All right, so let's start with this box first. So yeah, just opening it up, you could see, boom, you got a lot of items right here. And what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be taking each item out and placing it right here on my desk to show you guys. So yeah, let's just get the first item right here. I do feel that these are some Yeezy foam runners. Now, I did order a few shoes in this haul. I ordered about 3. I got 2 foam runners and a Balenciaga. So let's just get started with this one. So yeah. Here is how the shoe looks like. It is a typical Yeezy foam runner. This is my second pair of them, and I'm about to get my third pair in this haul as well. But yeah, overall a really nice shoe, especially for the summer, which makes it literally a perfect purchase. So I'm literally just gonna throw these somewhere because I won't have any space. And next up, let's see what this one is. So taking it out, oh yeah, I forgot I ordered this. But these are the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago's, I believe is what they're called. This is my first time ever seeing them in person, actually. And they do look pretty nice. They are a bit squished on the top, however. But yeah. Here's how the detail looks like. Because you might have not seen these either. Because I haven't seen these at all. And yeah, it does come with this text, as well as these laces which come with this text. Here's the bottom. And yeah, overall really nice, as you could see. Next up, here is this. Okay, so now what I'm thinking is that this box right here is just all the shoes, and then this one over here is all the clothes. So yeah, we have one more shoe here, and then we got one more foam runner right here. So opening these up, this is how they look like. Boom. This is the granite color, I believe. Granite. I don't really know how you say it. I'm pretty sure is what they're called, but I'm not 100% sure. I honestly just liked the look of them, so I purchased them. But yeah, honestly, overall, a really good looking shoe. This one is better with like white socks. And then I feel like the foam runners, the other ones, are better with like black socks. So yeah, overall a really nice combination for the summer. All right, guys, so final shoe until we get to the clothing are some Balenciagas. So yeah, this box is huge, so I had to go into the 0.5 mode on my camera. But let's just take them out. Wow. Damn, these actually look beautiful. This is definitely a, I would say, like, acquired taste of the color scheme of them, but I honestly do like them a lot. It's kind of just like a rare color. I've never honestly seen this at all, and it honestly does look really nice. So you do have the Balenciaga size 41, which is a size 8 in US size. And then you got the other side in the back with this really nice stuff. And yeah, overall, a really nice looking shoe. Definitely a rare color scheme I've never seen before. But yeah, let's go on to the clothing. So yeah, guys, this package is done. And now let's move on to what all of you guys are waiting for, which is this entire huge clothing package. All right. So here it is. And now let's just take out the first item. And I honestly don't know what this one is. I don't know why it comes in a box. I'm actually curious what could this be? Oh, Okay, I know what this is now. So yeah, judging by the box, you do see the chrome hearts. And let's just open it up and see. Ooh, that's beautiful. All right, so taking it out, this is a chrome hearts hoodie, or I would say it's a zip up. But yeah, oh my god, this is beautiful. Holy. So here's how the zipper looks like. Look at that detail. And you do have the chrome hearts patches, as well as the tag right here. Other than that, is really just like a regular hoodie. Besides, I guess, like this thing on the back, which has chrome hearts, and it's like metal actually, which is really nice. But yeah, overall, a really nice pair. I will probably wear this like a while. Like, this is just beautiful. But yeah, let's just go on to the next item. So yeah, getting another one of these boxes. Now I realize that these are some clothing items. So let's just take this out. Another chrome hearts item, as you could see. And let's just open this to see what it is. Okay, this is a long sleeve t-shirt. And let's just take it out. So yeah, this is how it looks like. You do have the chrome hearts patch, as well as the thingy, the writings on here, just like that, as well as just like some designs on this side and designs on the other side. Taking it to the back, you do have a huge chrome hearts logo on the back, as well as this thingy, which was also on the hoodie on the back. So that's pretty nice. And yeah, this is a really popular piece of clothing. I've seen a lot of people with this, so I'm excited to wear this, and it honestly does look beautiful. So yeah, let's just take this item out, whatever this is. And it is, I actually don't know. Oh, this looks like a Balenciaga shirt. So yeah, let's just take it out. And you do have the Balenciaga logo right here, as well as some tags, just like that, as well as the tag up here. Honestly, nothing really special on this one. But you do have the Balenciaga on the back, just like that. And yeah, it is honestly pretty wrinkly, as you could see. But yeah, overall, pretty nice item. So moving on to the next item, let's put this down and open it up. And I can already tell what this is because it has two items. This is a Cortez matching tracksuit. So first up, here, I guess I'll show you guys the pants first. But yeah, it's basically just a regular pant in black, but it does have a Cortez logo right here with the stars and everything. And it does have a really cool reflective-y tag. But yeah, basically just a regular pant with the logo. Next up, we do have the matching hoodie, and this is how it looks like. So let's just open it up. And yeah, this is how it looks like. You do have this beautiful puff print right here, just like on the pants. And this logo on the hoodie is way bigger, as you could see. It does cover up a larger portion of the hoodie. And on the back is really nothing special. Literally just a regular black hoodie on the back. So let's open this one up. This is a Bape, I guess. And let's just see how it looks like. So let's take it out. But yeah, here is how it looks like. You do have the Bape logo over here. And of course you do have the tags. Nothing special on the front, but on the back you do see it says apes together strong. Really nice back printing. It does add a lot of character to the shirt, but other than that, nothing else really special. So let's go on to the next item. So yep, next item. This one is pretty heavy. I'm guessing it is another matching tracksuit. So again, let's go over the pants first. So opening it up, it is literally the same exact thing, but in blue, in this beautiful light blue actually. And yeah, you see the logo again with the tag. Now for the hoodie. Again, same thing. And you can see the beautiful, again, logo with this beautiful blue. I probably do prefer this over the black one, but I did want both, so yeah. Okay, so next up, oh yeah, these are some Cortez shorts. So opening these up, this is how they look like. It's just basically light blue as that thing over there, but it does say property of Cortez with the logo. really nice looking. And on the back, nothing really interesting. It does come with this thing, but yeah, a pretty nice summer item. Opening this up, I do see a spider. And yeah, this is a pretty nice spider hoodie. So let's open it up. So here's how it looks like. You see, it says, "Never mind the punk, spider, here's the slime." And it is supposed to come faded like this, the print. But yeah, you can see the webbing right here, as well as all these stars just all over the thing. And on the back, this is how it looks like. You do have 5 right here, and then just a bunch of more printing. But yeah, other than that, it's really nice. I love the printing on it and everything. By the way, guys, I'm literally sweating at this point. It is kind of tiring, but it is also really fun at the same time. Let's see what this is. And it is a Supreme hoodie. So opening it up, you can see it just does look like a regular hoodie on the front. However, if you get to the back, you can see this really nice printing on the middle of the hoodie. It literally just says Supreme all the way down. And I honestly like this a lot, as you could see. But yeah, honestly, just a really stylish item. And I do like the little like etching or like the stitching on it. It's really nice to touch. Also, it is a really thick hoodie, which is good for the winter, but not now because it's pretty warm still outside. Next up, this one is also pretty heavy, but I don't know what this is. I'm low-key confused on what... Oh, okay, wait, this is a Palm Angels tracksuit. So I mean, here's just how it looks like. This is the hoodie of it. You do have this 2 stripes over here, as well as the Palm Angels logo, and just some more tags. It is a zip up, as you can see. And moving on to the bottoms, you can see how it looks like. And it does have Palm Angels logo right here. And nothing really special, honestly. It does have 2 stripes again. And yeah, opening it up, this does look like a t-shirt. And this is a Cortez t-shirt. This is how it looks like. Honestly, really nice. You do have the Cortez logo right here. I did get it in a size small. And it's just really nice looking. And it is in gray. And honestly, I just love this for the summer. It's also pretty thick, but not crazy thick. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot. Here's another package. And opening it up, these are some purple jeans. So opening these up, these are actually really high quality, I cannot lie. So yeah, these are just typical purple jeans. These are the first ones I've ever owned. But you do have purple, this thing I guess. And you do have size 30, which is what I got. You do have this right here. And on the back, you do have purple brand, as well as the thingy that always hangs out of people's pockets. But yeah, overall, really nice looking. These are the first ones I've ever owned, and they honestly do look pretty good. But I don't know if these are my style. I just really was curious to see how they look like, so I wanted to get them. And yeah, let's just move on to the next item. I swear every time I get a package out of this, it's just like never ending, which is honestly crazy. But yeah, here we go. These are some Cortez shorts, I can already tell. And yeah, if you guys can't tell already, I love Cortez. It's probably one of my favorite brands of all time. But I mean, yeah, here is how they look like. This is in green. I didn't even realize this was green. I thought it was gonna be black, but I mean, I guess it's fine. These are still beautiful. Here's how they look like. And nothing really special on the back, but I do love this printing on the side of the shorts, just like that. So here is the next item. Okay, so this is a Burberry jacket. So let's just open it up, and here is how it looks like. Really simple on the front, but you do have the Burberry logo here, and on the back there was literally nothing. But honestly, the coolest part of this is that the cool design on the inside. That is mostly the reason why I bought this, or else I would have just bought like a regular zip up. But I honestly do love the look of it because of this right here. And yeah, I'm actually pretty satisfied with this item. Also, I could finally see the bottom of this. This is a Stussy t-shirt. And yeah, here's how the front looks like. You do have the Stussy logo, as well as this cool little tag. But flipping it onto the back, you do have a nicer looking Stussy logo, which is pretty big, as you could see. And it honestly does stand out a lot. Okay, so we do have another Stussy t-shirt. And again, here is how it looks like. They do have the logo, as well as if you flip it over and you see the logo on the back. Overall, another nice looking shirt. So now we only have 2 more items, and let's just open this one. And it is a Dior t-shirt. So here is how the front looks like. It does say Christian Dior and like couture. I don't know how to say that word. And you do have a lot of the tags, as you could see. But flipping it onto the back, you have it in a bigger wording, just like so. And it does look really nice. Last item, and these are some Chrome Hearts shorts. So just taking them out, you do have this little print on the side of the shorts, and it does feel really nice. And yeah, just like that. And then here's the back, and then here's all the tags and everything, of course. We are finally done. If you guys did enjoy this huge unboxing, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.